We always want people to feel welcome, included, and at home in our church. But have you ever thought about what you can personally do to make that a reality? Here are 4 ideas to help. Number 1, remove exclusivity. Instead of thinking or talking about your church as your church, think and talk about it as a community that's open and accessible to anyone. This will help you and the kids and students you lead see church not as an exclusive place for certain people, but a place where everyone can belong. Number 2, check your vocabulary. It's easy to say words without considering how they sound to a visitor. But imagine for a moment how words like unbeliever, unchurched, or even small groups could make a visitor feel like an outsider. Number 3, be clear to be kind. If families who've been in your ministry for years have a hard time keeping track of details regarding events, meeting times, and deadlines, imagine how much harder it must be for new families. Always communicate with more detail and clarity than you think you need. And number 4, be a networker. We can be unintentionally exclusive if we're not careful. Prioritize spending time with visitors and find natural and authentic ways to connect the kids or teenagers you know with visitors who show up. Look for common interests like the schools they go to or other connections that will help to make a conversation more natural than forced. Because if we want our church community to be more welcoming, it's a responsibility that we all share.